All right, welcome back. Now what we have here is a nice one for messages without capital letters. How are you? It gets it all in there. Now notice after I say how, there's a C, and any letter that it doesn't understand, like these spaces, it just puts in a C. The reason is this find, if it doesn't have a value, it comes up with a value of -1. And so if a -1 value says it's not in the list. So if you add your key to it, 3, that gets you up to the letter C. And so so that C just represents we don't know, like something that it couldn't find. Now, if we have a capital letter, it won't find it. So let's first work with capital letters. I'm going to call this alpha with capitals. And I'm just going to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right. So now when it checks this, I'm going to say if the letter that they're looking at is in alpha. So if it's in alpha, we're just going to do this. And now I'm going to have another one, an elif, if it's in alpha like this, we are going to print this whole thing, but instead of checking alpha out, we're going to check the capital alpha out. So if, I'll show that in a second. So here, I'm just going to turn into this alpha and also this one. So now, if I run this and I say hello, now the first and the fourth letter, the first and the fourth letter will be capitalized. Now that's exactly what we want. So now we can use capital letters and move it to another capital letter. That works out great. Now the spaces are an issue too. So let's have character. Let's have a space. And I'm going to hold down Shift and go through all the numbers. What are other things? Maybe a quote, both quotes, colon, semicolon, period, comma, question mark is something that people would use. We could leave it at that. Now, I just saw that we'll have a problem because we're using a quote and it'll have another quote here. I'm not going to have single quotes as part of a thing that people can do. So I'm just going to do that. So we have a space and then any sort of weird character there. So we can add that down here. So elif that I is in character. Now we can copy and paste this thing there, and now we just need to find it in character. Now I can run this, hopefully, cross our fingers. Oh, elif, I should spell right. And now we have, what letter do we want to encrypt? Hello. What is going on? And it doesn't like it. So this has a 26. There's not 26 letters here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have to divide by 16 here. And now when I run this, hello, and every time, so the comma moves to the @ symbol, and every space now moves to hashtag. All right, it looks like it is encrypting our whole message now.